METTLER Toledo POWERCELL technology is designed to improve the performance of bulk weighing applications across the entire production process. Let's take a look at how POWERCELL technology can help you to cut maintenance costs by up to 50%, reduce downtime, eliminate human errors, and avoid bad batches and rework. Traditionally located outside, truck scales are exposed to harsher conditions than most industrial equipment. METTLER Toledo's POWERCELL PDX load cells are built for the challenge, offering improved reliability, decreased maintenance costs, and industry-leading accuracy. POWERCELL PDX systems are daisy-chained together, eliminating the need for a junction box, the #1 cause of truck scale failure. Features including a stainless steel hermetically sealed enclosure and advanced lightning protection defend POWERCELL PDX against the harshest weather conditions, including complete flooding of the scale. In the event of a failure, the detachable cable design allows for quick and easy replacement of a single load cell. As products are received into the plant, we will highlight how POWERCELL technology can improve the production process. Power mount weigh modules offer a level of visibility into your tank scale system that no analog solution has ever been able to provide. The condition monitoring features of Power Mount constantly communicate with each individual load cell and alerts users of typical errors prior to any serious problems occurring. This helps to reduce failures that can result in poor product quality, costly thrown-away batches, and product recalls. Although it is not common, in the event of a complete load cell failure, the Run Flat feature in Power Mount will automatically activate, keeping your system running until your batching process is complete, saving your operation significant time and money. Moving to the final stage, we look at floor scales, which are an integral part of the bulk production process. New Power Deck floor scales are the first of their kind, utilizing POWERCELL technology, and are designed to save you time and money. With real-time alerts, including load cell failure, debris detection, and overloading, you are able to avoid bad batches and rework. Incorrect loading is a common problem for traditional floor scales due to the lack of visibility around the scale and no alerts in place, leading to inaccurate measurements. PowerDeck is able to solve this problem with real-time operator guidance. Users are alerted when a load is improperly placed and guided to where the load should be located on the scale deck, ensuring proper placement and accurate weighments every time. Whether upgrading current equipment or designing a new facility, POWERCELL technology will help you achieve maximized yields through improved reliability, increased accuracy, and simplified maintenance. Choose POWERCELL technology to enhance business operations today.